This video is the hair restoration on a client with a clients for a 5 hair loss pattern thinning from front all the way toward the back. And he has black straight hair and with a more darker tone hair skin. In general, I do both FUE and the strip method. The FUE for mild to moderate hair loss, class 4 up to class 4. The strip method or the FUT is class 5, 6, and 7, and sometimes class 4, depend. And the benefit of FUT is you move a large number of grafts per day, like 6,000 grafts, and it's cheaper. Where the FUE, you leave your tiny dots of scar, less invasive, more advanced technology available, and it is the future. However, the FUE will cost more, and the number of grafts I can pull out per day is up to 2,500 grafts. Now, though there are days you can go above 3,000, but in general, for a black client, I generally set around 2,000. For other client with straight hair like this client, or Asian or Caucasian or any other ethnicity, it's around 2,500. Again, there's a day I can do more. So this client, he wanted the most advanced technology and the least invasive, and with minimal scar allowed you to wear his hair shorter. So he opted for the FUE, knowing that we can only do the front half first. We trying to do 2,000 up to 2,500. 2,500 will cover the front half, and it's a 2-step for him. And then next year he will do the back half. Hair transplant, as you know, it's not just depend on the surgical skill of the surgeon. It is an art form. It requires a lot of the artistic and aesthetic detail to ensure very natural result. Especially the hairline is very complicated with a lot of meticulous detail. If you pay attention to every little details and follow it, and the result should be excellent. In general, from the eyebrow to the hairline is around 6.5 to 7 for Asian, and black for Caucasian is around 7.5 to 8.5. Other ethnicities around 7.5. This client actually around 7.5 centimeter. He has a semi-narrow face, so we arch back. The more narrow the face, the more arch back the hairline. The more round the face, the more flat the hairline is. No hairline straight. So the line is a median, but it's not a true line. And then we zigzag through it to make the hair line softer, because you have a straight line, then it looks too artificial. Once we get the shape down, we will transplant at 35-45 in the front. Changes when we go backward and changes when we go sideways. So precise angle is important. Selection of hair graft is important. We transplant rows and rows single hair graft in the front, followed by root of 2 hair, 3 hair, and 4 hair in the back for bulk and volume. As you know, I'm one of the very few hair transplant surgeons who focus not only heavily on the artistry of the hairline, but one of the very few who specialize in the art of FUE. I do both strip and FUE, and the FUE is more difficult to do, and that's why more and more clients opt for me to come to my clinic for the FUE for the minimal scar. Thank you.